Good morning, everyone. For this project, you'll need a piece of paper, preferably cardstock if you have it, either a white crayon or oil pastel, some markers, a black Sharpie or permanent marker, so not a regular washable, and then circles to trace with. Also, a pencil, plus water and a paintbrush. With a pencil, start by tracing circles on the top half of your paper. They can overlap. These are your balloons. When you're done, outline them with a permanent marker. To turn these circles into balloons, add the tie. So I'm drawing a circle, 2 curved lines, and connecting it at the bottom. I want all of my ties for the balloons to be facing roughly the same direction of my paper because they're all attached to the same string and they're all pulling towards that same area. To add highlight and the reflection that all balloons have, using either crayon or oil pastel, draw some curved lines inside each balloon. They can go over each other. You can't see it so well now, but I'll show you in just a second what it looks like. Look closely and you should be able to see the white crayon, how I've drawn the curved lines inside each circle. Now, using markers, and I'm using primary colors because I want to see them blend together, begin outlining each circle the color that you want it to be. Make sure you get a nice thick ring of ink in each circle. When all your circles are filled in, grab your water and paintbrush, and starting with the lightest color, so I'm going to do yellow, then red, then blue, get your paintbrush wet and begin wetting the color so that you move it into the middle of your circle. Do this for every single balloon. Don't worry if some balloons share colors. They're overlapping each other, so the colors right there where I have red and yellow, that will automatically create a little bit of an orange hue. That's okay. Allow your balloons to dry before moving on. Pause it here. When your balloons are dry, go back over the little ties for each balloon with the same color of that balloon. We didn't do this before because we didn't want this part to get really watered down. We want to keep to the lines. Now you can start adding the strings for your balloons. You can either do this in pencil first or go straight over with Sharpie. It's up to you. Once you have your lines for your strings of the balloons, you have to figure out what your balloons are carrying. So maybe you want to draw a house like an up, or an ice cream, or an animal. I'm drawing myself, but don't let that limit you. You can draw whatever you want. At this point, the drawing becomes yours. So you don't have to follow me, although you're welcome to. I'm going to draw myself floating high up in the air, carried by balloons, with the city down below me. I'd love to see some of your more creative ideas as well. When you're ready, you can begin outlining whatever your balloons are carrying. For this drawing, I want to create a contrast between the balloons and the rest of my drawing, so I'm keeping everything except for the balloons, which are bright and colorful, in black ink. To finish your drawing, erase any pencil marks you see. I can't wait to see what your balloons are carrying.